Okay, now let's talk about Claude Web versus Claude Desktop. There's two versions of Claude at this point. One that lives on the web, where you can go to just the website alone and you can go and log in and put your credentials in there. You'll be able to use the interface from the website and make sure that you can talk and use your application. Most of the time, that really gives you that chatbot experience. You'll be able to talk to Claude in a very straightforward way. You'll be able to get some things done, but it's not truly integrated within your Windows machine. If we go right now and we go to Claude Web, let's just go ahead and look it up real quick. Claude.com, come in, you can try Claude, and this is it right here. Right here, you can talk to it. You can do anything that you want as a chatbot. This is not going to be as good as when you have Claude Desktop. Now, let me put them side by side. This is Claude Web on the website itself, and this is Claude Desktop in your actual desktop. It's really important to understand the difference, because when you're using the web version of it, again, you're going to be able to use it as a chatbot and really understand exactly what's going on from this perspective. But the Claude Desktop version, you're truly going to be able to add integrations to it, where it could even be connected to your files. Now, let's look at it here. Obviously, you understand that Claude Web is browser-based. Again, for quick conversations and ideal for everyday tasks and just literally everyday conversations. Claude Desktop, like I mentioned, you're going to be able to integrate it a lot more. So now you have local applications on your machine. You see, so now you can give it access to your file system and many other applications. Okay, as you can see right here, it works directly with your files. It supports extensions and connectors, and it's better for building real projects. I strongly suggest for you to download the Claude Desktop version. That is the way that I work, and that is the way that I do absolutely everything that I need to do in my day-to-day. With Claude Desktop, you'll be able to truly see and understand what your connections are. You know, when you go into your settings, you could truly see here how we have connectors. Now, connectors, they have moved it into customize. So you'll be able to see it right here, and you'll be able to see the integrations that I use myself on a daily basis. GitHub integration to upload files into the cloud, into GitHub. Supabase integrations to be able to manage my whole database. Any database that I have, I'm able to integrate it with Supabase account. It also uses Claude in Chrome, which means that you can give access to Claude to your actual Chrome browser. Context 7, it's another application that I use, another integration that I use to make sure that anytime that Claude is doing any type of coding or it needs any resources from an important library, that is what Context 7 is for. It has access to a local machine, and it has a special access to another Supabase integration that I have set up. And as you can see, many other ones. You can truly come over here and you can actually browse connections. If you don't find the one that you have there, you can literally browse connectors, and you can truly see right here all of the connectors that you have. Figma to Microsoft 365, like I mentioned, to Slack. It has Google Drive, Gmail, Google Calendar, and many other ones. Zoom. Browsing through connectors, you could literally just browse through here just to see what other applications you use that are pertaining to what you do today. But also at the same time, you might be able to see a new one. You might be able to find one that truly works for you in a better way. And we have many of them right here, accessible. Indeed, Polo.io if you're doing customer acquisition, super important. ClickUp if you're using it as a CRM or customer service. Many other applications and integrations. Ahrefs if you're doing SEO. N8N if you're building other automations. Stripe if you need to charge clients. Many other applications right here that you have with Claude Desktop. So I strongly suggest for you to download it and really start using it from the desktop itself and not from the browser.